Hello, I'm back again to explain you something about the cx500 engine. Look, a nice clutch plate, old model cx500, and look, a nice clutch plate, newer model GL500 and the Eurosport model. Okay, we have a problem. I do not know which one has to go in which engine. Doesn't matter. But look at the thickness of the plates and the rings. When something drops out of your hand, see the markings, the wear out markings. Sometimes you can figure out what has stuck there. So I think this one has to go on that engine there. But before we do that, we have to put our bushing there. Why? Let me explain. This one is extended, but that one is not extended. So I reckon I have a spacer or something like that and a ring. The ring can be fault, but we see that later on. So, ay, good. Okay, I will explain later on. Okay, this is the big bushing for this clutch plate, and I know it's flat here and flat there, but something has to lock up, so I have a thinner ring, and it should be there. I see some dirt, dust, so put the ring there, and we're going to look what's going to happen. That's not very well. Okay, I think we are fine. I'm not going to show you what's next because I don't have the parts at the moment. I have to get them new out my store. So let me explain. I think I will get the camera off. And that. Let me look. What do I want to show you? You see that cock there between the chain is almost evenly to each other, and it's not hitting the aluminium, so it's fine. It's gripping the whole thickness of the cock, and also that engine also, and it is not getting or hitting the aluminium there. You see, that's what I want to see. So we have two different clutch plate holders, or whatever you call them, and there I sold one, so this is a complete one, and you see there is also a big ring installed, and something is missing here, so I have to figure it out which one has to go which or where. And this is a complete one. And what do we see? We see a big thing here and a gap there. So I think, and I see also wearing out, that has to go there. And all those plates I have to change. I'm missing that part there. So where do I have it? Oh, I will figure it out later on. This one is smooth. What do I see at the plates? They are shiny and glossy. Old ones throw away. No discoloration, that's good. Now also very important, the gaps between the, how do I say that? The oil has to go away in those channels. If that not happens fast enough, you get extra friction, and when you put it in first gear with the clutch handle in, the engine starts, of the motorbike starts to walk away. And this is what I want to show you. That kind of stuff there, that tells me, only that there is very difficult to see, only that there is telling me those plates are old and worn out. I need new ones. They are original. And something else, you see the lines here, normally it tells me that it's also gone. Throw them away. If you put new plates in it, you will immediately see or feel that the neutral switch or the neutral stand is very easily to obtain. Now with this clutch plates it's difficult to get them in neutral, and when you hit them in one, the engine wants to go from its place. It wants to start running. More nice example. Oil there, clean there. That's not good. Oh, this one looks very well. So I can't install it very further on. Let me look at the other plates there. Oh, look, I have found something that's also usable. Yes. This getting to start an engine and also get my room back to work on. Also original plates, but I see a little bit difference. Yeah, I throw them away. I don't use them any longer. Nice example. This one is too hard, too shiny. This one has different oil used. Yeah, it's very hard. I always put new clutch plate in the engine. Always. You get a better handling and grip. So, now I can show you something. Maybe that will explain a little bit. Yes, that's what I want to see. I explain later on. And that doesn't matter. Oh, wait a minute. That one is that? That's okay. I don't have... This one is... Okay, don't worry. That's fine. Yes. Very important. I think this one is too much. Too much. No, then it's normal. I have to pull it out. You always see an axle that is a little bit more down or deeper inside this casing. So when you put a nut on here, it will pull itself in and straight locked up to the axle itself with the bearing and the plates. So it becomes one piece. If this is flat or it's tilting out or it is sticking out, that's wrong. Also here you see it is a little bit deeper, so you get just the right amount of torque and pulling out of the axle, and then it becomes one slot. I'm not going to install it at the moment because I need one clutch plate. For that one I have to find one, and that one is sold to someone, and where the other one is I don't know. I think behind that engine there, motorbike there, but I have to restore that. Whee! There are my parts. I will find one. And yes, that's it. Okay, thanks for watching this evening. I see you next time. When you have some questions, please email me. Bye bye.